everyone, welcome to Student Tech Genius. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the CPU OS simulator, and we will analyze the first come first serve scheduling algorithm with the given code. So this is the code we have been given. So our first step is copy this code and paste it in a notepad and save this file. After that, uh, open the CPU OS simulator, and this is the screen in the CPU OS simulator. You need to go to this advanced and new CPU area, and here you can see a compiler button and a OS simulator button. So click on compiler button, and after that, in this compiler button, you can load your program. So in the source area, there is a load button. So click on load and choose the file, the notepad file you have created. After that, in the compiler area, go to compile and click on compile button. So the program will now be compiled. After that, in this assembly code area, untick this base address and change this to anything like 100, 200, 1000, something. After that, you need to, in the binary code, there is a button save. So you need to save this file. After saving the file, in the assembly code area, there is a button load in memory. So you need to load the code in the memory. So load in memory, you will get a message code successfully loaded in memory. After the code is successfully loaded, you need to click on this OS simulator button, and in the program list, you will see your program name. So my program was FCFS1. So here I can see FCFS1. For this one, now I need to create 4 processes with the arrival time of 0, 1, 2, and 3. So what I will do, I will, for the arrival time, in the arrival delay, I will take this delayed process, go to the, I will take this, either you can use ticks or you can use seconds. After that, from here, I can, I need to use for P1, I will give the arrival delay as 1. For P2, it is 2. For P3, it is 3. And for P4, it is 4. So what I will do, I will click on this one and I will click create a new process. So after I have created a new process, here it will show P1 with a delay of 1. After that, I need to create P2 with a delay of 2. After that, P3 with a delay of 3. So I have created all these processes P1, P2, P3, P4 with delay of 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you can, here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, but in the delayed process, we do not have any 0. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, here in the scheduler, you can see all the scheduling algorithms. First come, first serve, shortest job first, round robin. So you need to select your algorithm and you need to click on start button. The process will start and you need to wait for it to get completed. So I'll fast forward this. Now the execution will be completed. After that, we need to answer these questions. What is the order in which processes are executed? So for that one, I will click on views, and here there is a button view log. So I'll click on it, and here in the view log, I can see the history. What in how or in which order the processes are executed. So first the P1 got executed. After that, the P2 got executed. After that, P3 got executed, and after that, P4 got executed. So this is the order: P1, P2, P3, P4, because this is the first come first serve. Second question is what is the waiting time for each process? So that also we can see in the logs. So here the waiting time for P1 is 0.07. For P2 is 85.44 seconds. For P3 is 116.74 seconds. And for P4 is 122.14 seconds. Third question is what is the burst period of each process? So burst period is also given. This is for P1, this is for P2, this is for P3, and this is for P4. Fourth is what is the average process time for 4 processes. So in the last, you will be given average process waiting time, that is 81.1 second. So that is for the first come first serve algorithm. Thank you.